Pureline is proud to unveil the EasyFit VS, a pump designed for the average pool DIYer and pool tech alike. EasyFit pumps are engineered for plumbing compatibility with popular models like the Hayward Super Pump and Pentair WhisperFlo, helping to avoid complex replumbing during installation. Thanks to its unique flange and base riser design, installation can be as simple as unscrewing your current pump and installing the EasyFit. No cutting, no glue, no mess. The average pool owner or DIYer can unscrew their old pump's unions, drop in the EasyFit, wire it up, then get swimming. The EasyFit comes standard with a Neptune 1.65, 2.7, or 3.45 total horsepower variable speed motor, making it California Title 20 and New York State compliant. Among the EasyFit's features are a salt pool ready heavy-duty shaft seal with up to 1 hour run-dry protection, a no tools needed lock ring coupled with a built-in LED strainer lid light for hassle-free spot inspections, and compatibility with popular automation systems. And to top it all off, each pump is pressure tested before it leaves the factory to ensure it's watertight and running right. So make the easy choice and choose the EasyFit.